Hello, welcome back everybody. So we're going to switch gears. We made pinch pots the first 2 weeks. Now we are going to roll into coils. Notice that I said roll. Okay, so we are going to actually roll out snakes to make our next pot. This is going to be a two-part project. First, we're going to make the object, so the form or the shape, whatever you want to call it. And then we are going to put a 2D design on the sides or the outside of the pot. So we're going to either carve them. Yeah, I think that's going to be how we're going to do them. We're going to have to carve them out. And I will show you different ways to carve them out. So, few things that have to change for this project. You have to find some stuff. Obviously, you have newspaper. That should be a simple thing to have. If you have a simple board, this is a drywall piece of board that I have here that I taped up. If you have that, you guys are going to be set. If you don't have that to work on, this is not a plate from my kitchen, but if you have a plate from your kitchen, this is something you can work on, because I know it's going to be flat and it's something that you can build your pot up from. Okay, so this is an option. Go to your kitchen, grab a plate to work on. If you work with a plate from your kitchen, you have to put paper in between. Okay, and we'll talk about that more later. If you have an option to have your own space, I know a lot of you don't have that option. If you have canvas, I have canvas for painting. What I would do is lay it on a board and roll in front of me. If I don't have canvas, next is maybe an old t-shirt. It's an old t-shirt from the studio. This is a paint t-shirt. I can roll on top of this. Okay? I'm trying to find as many things that you can do at home or use at home to make this process simpler. Coiling is not too difficult. You could actually coil on your floor if you wanted to. There are different ways. Alright? So find the things that you need. So you need a board, you need a plate, and a t-shirt or a canvas. I'm betting a lot of you have an old t-shirt that you can use and you can wash it. It's not going to ruin the t-shirt, so don't worry about that. Alright, your tools to start with are pretty simple. Wire tool and clay. Alright, I'm going to make this into a carrot. A nice even carrot. I'm just going to show you coiling first. I want you to all practice this, and then we'll get into the project, okay? So how this works is from the back of my palm to the tip of my fingertips. It may look fast, but it's even. That's the whole point of this. If I push down too hard, well, it'll pull my shirt in. I'm going to pull that off. Okay, let me do that again. If I push too hard, I thump and I get weird lines. So this is going to be a practice thing. You have to practice how to push and move the clay. Alright? Now you can see the difference. Nice and even all the way through. This is what I would love. So this one is flat on sides. flat. Okay? Make sure we don't push too hard or too soft. Too soft will get you this. Thump, thump, thump. So rolling coils. Practice, practice. Don't let them dry out. Put them back into a ball. Put them back into your clay. And notice how my fingers kind of spread out. As the coil gets longer, I can roll out thousands of coils real quick. And I always start in the middle and I work my way out to the edges. There you go. So learn or practice how to make coils, and I will teach you how to build a pot. Alright guys? So take your time, practice a little bit, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday.